with Melon Sandbox. Sorry I've been away a couple of days. I've been doing Garden of the Ban videos, and I thought I would do a Valentine's Day update since it's my birthday.
Mom, there's hearts.
But yeah, that's for Valentine's Day.
Yeah,
that's Mommy's birthday.
Look.
Yeah.
And don't got new.
I have not played the updated one yet, so let's see what we got.
Mom, guess what them added? You can upgrade maps.
Did you?
I already did my stuff.
Again?
No.
Oh.
Not really, but I tried to and
invite friends and complete tasks. Receive Valentines. Exchange them for exclusive mods and melons.
Upgrade one. Okay. Okay, so go in here and you can go a lot and stuff. Okay?
Okay. So, dang, you have 860?
Yeah. Yeah.
You. Ooh. You got a squid map.
A squid? Yeah, I want that.
That's cool. No, I'm not buying that.
You will never buy that.
Not for a... Oh, a Sprunki map. Let's buy that one.
Okay. Guys, you spent my coins.
I did. I'll give you more later.
Later?
Yes.
I don't have it now. Is that
well, you still have 210.
210?
Yeah.
I have my...
Okay, so let's go back. Exit.
My phone is lagging.
You have to... Don't record then. I'm recording on mine. If you're lagging.
We need to get some more coins.
No. Go back. Download that.
Oh, yes. It's
okay. You're yelling at me. And everything. Oh, look at the Sprunkies. Maybe I shouldn't have bought this. This looks questionable. This looks questionable.
Was it in?
I might be regretting my decision on to buying this. Alright. So, let's get Orin and sit Orin right next to Orin. Okay, you can't. Let's put them underneath Orin then.
What is it?
Let's grab Funbot.
Mom, what is it?
Where's what?
My Sprunki world.
You have to go out of here.
And what's it at? Yeah!
And then let's grab Wenda.
Sprunkies can move?
We'll see if we like this one. Is that...
Mama, Sprunkies can move. Well, you turn around. Is that cute?
Is that gray? Do we have gray?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So...
we got Simon.
Here's Doppel. What's Doppel? Oh.
And Brood.
Okay. He's standing with Linda
and then Mr. Tree.
And Donald staying by Funbot or staying
I don't think I like this map though. You can't even...
What?
You can't place them on there.
Because
there's Mr. Sun. This is not a logical map.
Well, you need
So we wasted 600 coins.
Okay, so you need to unfreeze Mr. Sun. Unpause it.
Maybe we should make our own map, because that would be kind of cool.
Here's Mr. Sun. Wow.
I don't really like this map, though. Yeah. Kind of mad that I spent 600 coins on it.
Help me up my great award. Mom, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. I couldn't upgrade my Sprunki map. Mom, I couldn't upgrade my Sprunki map. Oh yeah, you can. Okay, so you can upgrade color waters. Look, you can actually color waters. Look.
Mm-hmm.
Look, you can place waters.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
We should create our own Sprunki.
Own Sprunki?
Yeah.
You couldn't.
You can't?
Nope. Mom, what's... Likes to ascribe. There's a messenger under to water. Oh, I want that. I wanted that. I want that too.
Mm-hmm. I'm just farting around. I don't really, I'm trying to see if I can do anything.
Can you?
I don't know, I'm trying to see if I can. I don't really know how to do this.
Can you say it's normal Sprunki? Like, there's a lot of missing suns. There's no one. Look, there's a whole bunch missing suns. Like, it's whole things
Okay.
are baby missing.
Whatever. Anyways. Anyways, today what we're going to do is look at the new features. So now they have maps that you can go ahead and buy. I'm assuming that's new because the only other ones that I was able to choose were the ones that were already set in the game. So now you're able to buy the maps, which this one 698 people love it. Wow. Okay. I mean, it's cute, whatever, but you can't place anything on the hills. You can't place anything, you know, I would just say it needs to be done better, but whatever. Definitely not going to buy a squid map game map. Popular. Oh my god. Let's see what they have. Young gravy. Oh no. Green light, red light. That's
Mom,
cool. Stop.
get a new let's go.
I know. Yeah, but they're all like super expensive. You have to think when you're buying coins, they're 50 cents for 100. So, and some of these people are telling you to pay $1 for this little thing right here. Like, I can't really complain because obviously I've bought you a lot of stuff, but whatever.
Mom, no matter don't.
Did they? Look at that. Yeah, we've been getting really into the Garden of Banban and Poppy Playtime. I know that he doesn't play it as often. He just basically watches me play, but yeah, sweet candy pack like that. Squid Game, Curse Energy from JJK. Alright, well, that seems pretty cool. Whatever.
Mom, I still have some Sprunki.
That's good.
Don't start for house.
I am gonna search for a house. You know why? Because we're gonna build a house. Because, you know, the Sprunkies need somewhere to live. And
Okay, so this
I think...
I'm gonna try not to place any bomb.
Okay, what if I want to place a bomb?
No,
Why not?
because
Well, that's not fair.
I can.
This is my life. It's my life.
Okay.
I want to place a bomb.
No.
It's not me placing bombs. It's the bad Sprunkies placing the bombs.
No.
Okay, fine. I won't place a bomb. What?
He's not. No.
Ah,
How you search for house?
You have to spell it. And it's HOUSE. Done. Nothing found. You don't have any houses, so you have to go to the ones that you've already bought.
Mom, I want those.
No, I'm not buying it right now.
That's not like
Ain't got no money. Oh yeah. Ain't got no money. 'Cause everybody's broke
This
as a
is-
joke.
a new brain house.
I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Oh my god. Okay, so 3 Sprunkies are going to be in this house. It's going to be Brud, Clucker, and Durble, okay? And then who's going to be in this little house with this Melon? Okay.
No, this house has queens now.
Okay. No, if you bought something, it'll tell you it'll tell you purchase. So if you didn't buy it, then you didn't buy it.
Oh, it's letting me buy it. I bought it.
And then evil Mr. Sun is going to be over here, and he's going to be like, brown chicken, brown, brown. How do you make chocolate milk? Brown chicken, brown cow. I'm not sure if that's how the joke goes, but that's what I said.
Okay.
You bought a house?
Yeah.
We need to buy a house. We need to set up mortgage payments. We need to pay for electricity, food, all of that stuff. And you just willy-nilly spent 200 coins on a house.
I have a better house.
You are irresponsible. I can't deal with this anymore.
Sorry, Mom.
It's okay, I was just kidding. Okay, so the bad Mr. Tree is going to go over here, and then the good Mr. Tree is going to go right here and kind of, you know, try to protect the good ones, the good Sprunkies. And so, what house did you buy? Why do you have melons in cages? Like, is this supposed to be like Hocus Pocus?
No. This house was free.
That house was free? Well, you have 10 coins now. Yep. Anyway, so this guy is going to protect these guys.
Oh! Melon got him headshot.
You just spit on them. Say it, don't spray it, bro.
Look.
Bro.
What is this? Fire.
Oh, yeah. You gotta protect him, Mr. Tree. Gotta protect him. Because I foresee that there is... Where'd it go? You guys seen that I placed it right there. Where did it go?
Oh, okay. That thing is on fire.
I know for a fact...
I got a floating house.
that I placed it
But there's a
right
floating
here.
house.
Where did it go?
What did it go? Okay, there's a floating house.
There's a floating house. Oh yeah, there's a floating house.
Look. Literally a house.
Literally. Statue of Litterby.
Okay, so here's melons in a cage.
I don't know how, but
Here's melons
the
in a
evil
cage.
Mr. Sun
Look,
came into the
just
house.
Just give a like and a share.
Give it a likes and a share, and
Oh my god!
so funny.
Look, look at
And then
melon.
Brud was like, "Oh my God, how did Evil Mr. Sun get in the house?" And Durple was like, "Oh my God, there's something by me." And Clucker said, "Oh my God, there's something by me. What is that?" No.
And what? Freaking house on fire.
Yes, because Evil Mr. Sun had a clone. Because look, there's Mr. Sun right there.
Kill him. Kill
No,
him.
that's the no. Ah!
Kill him. Kill him. Kill him.
No, that's not nice.
Kill him.
But look, he sabotaged these good Sprunkies. And now, what do we have to do? We have to go and clean it up like we always do.
Oh my god. Who's there?
Gosh. Say gosh. Gosh.
Oh my god. Okay. What did it mean? Okay, sorry guys. I was so funny. You should know that. It's phony. Okay, what? Place Choo Charles.
Maybe we need to mourn these Sprunkies. What are you doing? You're just over there placing freaking Choo Choo Charles up in the sky, man. Now that's a scary game. I'll tell you what. I will tell you what.